All right, so have you ever tried these before? So I've been wanting a breakfast biscuit sandwich. So we're gonna do this today. This is Red Lobster's Honey Butter Biscuits. I'm gonna make breakfast biscuits. Let's see. All right, so here's what comes in. This is the box. This is the mix. This is the honey butter. He says add water, but I'm gonna add milk and butter. I'm not making a lot. It's just 2 of us, so I'll probably just make 4, and I don't know what to do with the rest. All right, so this is what the mix looks like. This is what the mix, I added the honey butter mix. So it looks too loose for me, so I'm probably end up thicking it up. All right, so here's what the mix looks like. This is what I want it to look like. Again, this is the honey butter biscuits. I'm gonna make breakfast biscuit sandwich, breakfast biscuits out of it. And so I want it to be thick because I don't want it to be loose. All right, so this is what they look like before they go into the oven. So this is what we are attempting to make. Breakfast, we're gonna do some honey butter breakfast sandwiches. We shall see. All right, guys, so here's how the biscuits turned out. I threw the box away, but this is how the biscuits turned out. I'm gonna do ham, and then I have my sausage biscuits, and I have my eggs right here. We're gonna do a breakfast biscuit sandwich. All right, I'm not gonna show y'all the messy part, but this is the breakfast honey biscuit with sausage. It's messy. You can see the crumbs all over my face. But yeah, it's very messy, but I think it's gonna be good. It's very flaky. Very good. Bon appetit. Cheers, guys. It's very flaky. Yeah, I just need some honey. But this is the breakfast sausage breakfast. I can't even talk. Here we go. It's flaky. I can't even talk.